up, guys? Brian with SoCo Customs here, and today we've got another build on this 2024 Chevy Tahoe. Let's take it back to the shop and we'll get the details on this build. Guys, we're back inside where it's warm. We sent this 2024 Chevy Tahoe up on the Beltec 4-inch kit. This customer came in and just didn't like the idea of just going up on spacers like a lot of the kits are common for this vehicle. So we went with a full coilover setup. Beltec is actually partnered up with KW suspension, so anybody that's tried to lower a vehicle probably knows the KW name. So that's definitely a great pedigree to be in. Even as we were driving it around the neighborhood, it rode amazing. It also comes with upper control arms, which is definitely a necessity as you get above the 2-inch leveling kit type range. Now the wheels are the Black Rhino Wanakas. They're 18x9s in a +12 offset. Kept most of that tuck in there. And then the tires are going to be the 285 at 65/18. They're right around a 33-inch tire. These are going to be the Falken Wildpeak AT4Ws. For more information on the Falken Wildpeak AT4Ws along with the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, stay tuned for the video that Brett did yesterday. Give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we're going to see you in the next video. And if you want a SoCo build of your very own, go ahead and click the link that's going to be in the description, www.sococustoms.com, or give us a shout at the phone number below.